Welcome.
Hey guys, it's Tony from Mi A3 and welcome to my channel. About today's video, I will sharply review the Mi A3 and I give my first impression. Xiaomi launched this phone for July, but the phone burst in for the last week of August inside Nigeria. The phone Mi A3 they offer a massive upgrade to the Mi A2 and definitely the Mi A1. One of the upgrades what they refer to, and I said the phone burst in with in-display fingerprint sensor as well as a bigger battery. The phone carries 4030 amp battery capacity, fast charging, even though Xiaomi been put only 10-watt charger for the box. Design wise, the phone is a very beautiful looking device. It creates an S-shaped reflection when light hits it. The phone it's glass back, glass front, and then aluminum frame. Interestingly, the headphone jack is back in the Mi A3. It was missing in the Mi A2, but it's back in the Mi A3, as well as the micro SD slot. It was also removed in the Mi A2, but Xiaomi has decided to bring it back in the Mi A3. It comes with Super AMOLED display, HD Plus and not Full HD sadly, and also a 720p resolution. I do not know why Xiaomi did this. The norm is supposed to be a 1080p resolution, but then again, they know why they added a 720p resolution. Probably because it's a budget phone, but I don't know. The phone feels really smooth and nice. Feels really snappy. I mean, the UI is fluid. Uploading is quick. In terms of camera, let me come to camera. In terms of camera, it comes with a triple camera setup, the 48MP wide lens, 8MP ultra wide lens, and then 2MP for the depth sensor. And the selfie camera bad based on 32MP camera. Then the camera video, that's the rear camera, the video capability. They say if you shoot 1080p at 30 frames and 60 frames per second, and also go as high as 2160p at 30 frames per second. Now Android One device they run Android 9, so it comes with no bloatware entirely. Multitasking seems fast, and then I mean that's basically all. It's a nice phone. This is the 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM, and it's priced for only 72,000 naira.